I guess the advice that I really wish that I could have gotten as a kid is to learn what you want to learn, but like it's the learning isn't just about understanding, these cool facts and these little bits of animals, because learning about marine biology and marine science is learning about how the natural biological systems of the planet work. That is important to know. Parents, don't let the knowledge of things that are going on in the world, knowing about pollution and warming waters and all those things, don't let that deter you, because in the oceans, there is too much wonder there. Not
Yes.
enough for any one person to experience in a lifetime, not just kids, but everyone, to be able to take these things and carry it throughout their whole life, because the sense of awe and wonder of the ocean and of just the natural world means that there's an appreciation for us as humans, because we are also animals and we are also part of this natural world. So understanding how the natural world works and understanding what's out there, being in awe, being inspired, learning the different interactions is like I don't think I'd know as much as I know about myself or community or society if I didn't learn about these animals, because
Wow.
within the animal systems, there are also their own animal behaviors, and learning about lions and how their family systems work. These animal systems have existed for as long as the planet has been. It just might have been in different forms, but in some
Hmm.
semblance, that has existed, and we are just the materialization of that now.
That's really cool. Yeah, the entire natural world is honestly a reflection of so many things, and all of what we have as humans, our emotions, our world that we've built, our observational mind, our curiosities, they've all come from nature somewhere along the line. We are the fruit of planet Earth.